Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Badahair goat milk soap base. 899 rupees is the price for 1 kilogram. Made in India product, and this is non-sponsored video. Available on Flipkart, Meesho. I bought this from the Flipkart nearly for 300 rupees something in the offers. So always check the offers. Both men and women can use body or face soap for all skin types. Here's the composition: glycerin, distilled water, coconut oil, goat milk, paraben and sulfate free. The soap base looks milky white. The product packaging is basic, not too fancy, but it's okay. It cuts very smoothly. I have made bath soaps using this as a base and will upload the recipes soon. As for the quality, I felt it was quite average. I wasn't too impressed with the product. I have already shared a review of the glycerin soap base on this channel. If you want the link, just ask. I will share it in the comment section below. The goat milk soap base does lather, but not very much. In my opinion, the glycerin soap base lathers more compared to this one. Still, it's an okay product. I bought it after checking reviews on Flipkart. Thousands of people had reviewed and bought it, so I decided to try this brand. You might like it, but honestly it doesn't lather like commercial soaps, so please don't expect that. Otherwise it's good. It's fragrance free, so you can customize it with your own recipe and scent. Pretty cool, right? I hope you found this video helpful. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.